Welcome to today's video on installing IPTV on Roku. First, for the best IPTV experience, visit 2tv.store and reach out to Nancy via customer support for any assistance. The link is in the description. Curious how to elevate your streaming experience? Let's dive into the step-by-step guide on setting up IPTV on Roku, transforming how you enjoy your favorite shows and channels. First step, make sure your Roku is connected to the internet. Navigate to the Roku home screen where we will begin our IPTV setup. Don't worry, it's simpler than you might think. Next, explore the Roku channel store. Here, you won't directly find an IPTV channel since Roku doesn't officially support it, but we've got a workaround. Use third-party services to install IPTV on your Roku. This involves adding channels to your device manually. Be sure to follow each step carefully to avoid any hitches. With these simple steps, you're all set to explore a world of entertainment with IPTV on your Roku. Subscribe for more tech insights, and remember to check 2tv.store for your IPTV needs.